Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily, I do nails, and I'm also the owner of Sunflower Nail on Etsy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did these super fun blood drip nails. They are like blood splatter nails, I guess, in rhinestones. If you would like to see how I did these, keep on watching. I am so excited, and it's finally October and it's time for Halloween season, and it's finally cooling down outside so I can actually enjoy the sunlight and not be overheating where I live. So I'm just going to get straight into the videos and I'll talk to you guys at the end. Starting off this video, I already have my base painted and it is a sparkly nude pink. And I'm just doing that, covering all nails. It's the C737 by Beetles, and I just covered my whole entire nail with that color. Now I'm going to go in and do the chrome on the chrome blood drips on my nails. Starting off with the top coat, my red carpet top coat that I use for all my chrome. I'm going to put a little dab down and then mix it in with some black gel polish to create the perfect mixture of black and top coat, just so it goes on less sparkly and more chromy. I'm going to go ahead, before I start on the chrome, actually wipe my nails down with isopropyl alcohol to get rid of all the sticky and so that they're nice and clean. This is the black I'm going to use from Beetles. If you hear background noise, I'm sorry, my daughter is out playing with her cousin, so I have to be out here watching them. But I figured I would record a voiceover while they're playing because I can easily voiceover and watch them at the same time. But I'm going to go ahead and mix that top coat with that black gel, and then I'm going to take my liner brush and just put a lot on the tip about halfway down, and then I'm going to take a manicure brush that cleans under your nails to kind of make it more of a splatter for the blood. I'm going to do that in the black to create, and then go over it with the red chrome to create that shiny background, just in case it's peeking through the rhinestones. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do one nail, and then it's just repeating those same steps on all the other nails. After curing it for 15 seconds or so, I'm going to go ahead and rub that red chrome. I got this chrome from Dollar Tree, but I will of course leave something linked down below similar to this one. I usually end up using chrome a lot, so I'm just going to link a big pack of chrome that you can use for like all the nail sets I end up showing you how to do. That way it's easier, and it usually ends up being cheaper just to get a full set. After putting the chrome on, I'm going to go ahead and use this makeup sponge to wipe away all the excess. I do this in everything I do chrome on, so I keep that in mind on every set I do. And then I'm going to go ahead and top coat it with that same red carpet instant chrome top coat just to seal it in. After that top coat is cured, I'm going to go ahead and start rhinestoning. I'm just going to rhinestone everywhere where the red is. I'm going to use my McCart Rhinestone glue gel, and there was a hair on it, of course, because, you know, it's sticky, so there's going to be hairs on it. I've also had this thing forever. It's lasted me so long because I've done like 3 sets of rhinestones, and it always ends up staying on super well. But anyways, I'm going to cover that whole chrome in rhinestone glue gel, and I'm going to use these oblong, like diamond shaped ones in the middle of the nails, and then just go around those in smaller circular rhinestones. And I have these bi-cube pointy ones that I got from Hobby Lobby that I'm also going to use. I'm going to try and use more of the circular ones just so they don't stick up as much, but I definitely wanted to use a variety of shapes because it ends up making it look better. As you can see, I did one nail on my other hand just to know what I'm doing and see what it looks like. But I'm going to go ahead and cover the whole red piece in red rhinestones. I do use a mix of my wax pencil and my very small pointy tweezers because for putting the gem down, I like the wax pencil, but for moving it around and getting it to look where I want it, I like the pointy tweezers a lot more. And like I said, I'm just going to repeat those same steps on all the other nails. Same kind of direction with the nails, but at the same time, I don't want the rhinestones in the exact same place as these just because then they all look different, and I think they look nicer that way. When it comes to rhinestoning, you don't want them to all look the same, at least not me personally. If you would like that, then you can go ahead and do it, but I just personally don't like the way it looks. But near the end, I do put some rhinestones not where the red are, just a little more farther down, just like single red rhinestones, just to create more of a splatter effect because I couldn't get exactly what I wanted with the brush. But it's just a general outline for the nails so I can see where I want them placed. So I went ahead and did the rest of those nails off camera and the rest of my other hand off camera. I ended up loving how they turned out, but now I'm going to go ahead and use my builder gel, and I'm just going to put a very thin coat over top of all those rhinestones. You can, of course, skip the set if you don't mind the texture, but I just knew for a fact they would get caught in everything, so I just decided that I was going to top coat them or base gel them just so they had a little bit more coverage than just a top coat. But I just am trying to put on the thinnest layer possible, and then I'm gonna do all that to all the nails, and then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply a glossy top coat on top of that so it's not sticky anymore. In the ending video, I do have a bead on the end of my nails. It's just a drip shaped bead that I just went ahead and used my rhinestone glue gel to glue on, and then I went up the back to reinforce it, and then I immediately took them off because they were driving me nuts. But you can keep them on because they're really not that much. They just add the tiniest bit more length, like 2 millimeters more of length. So that is the end. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below more nail ideas you would like to see. And don't forget to subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And I would love for you to be here to watch me every week, show you how to do a new nail design. Don't forget to check out the description for all of my social medias along with my Etsy. I do all kinds of nails. I actually sell rhinestoned nails, so go check that out. I'm so sorry if I look a little not super presentable today. I've had a really stressful morning. I also was sick yesterday with a stomach bug, so that is why I also didn't upload yesterday. I'm super sorry for that, but that would be why. I also had a really busy day Sunday. I'm super sorry for all excuses, but that is what was going on. So I put my health and mental capacity to the forefront and not put it behind me like I normally do. So yeah, I do still hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it's to your liking. I know it was kind of a short video, but it was just me doing basically the same thing on every single nail. So I just thought maybe it will make it quicker and you guys would enjoy it more if it was more of a short video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.